Okay, this is baby Jackpot. He was born on May 12th. It's only a few months old and we just got him today. He's tired right now. He's got a blue tail because my brother has to mark him. He's got 4 brothers and just 4 brothers. I don't think he has any sisters. Now he's so tired. He's so exhausted. Ew. What's that in your ear? Ew. You gotta go see the vet. He's so nasty. You're so dirty and nasty. You gotta find money to go to the vet. Yes, baby. Yes, baby. Yes, baby. You're not going anywhere. You are so dirty. Ew. Nasty. That's baby Jackpot. And we have over there and baby Bonus, who is now 7 years old. Say hi. They don't get along very well yet. He's still afraid of Jackpot. Scaredy cat. Alright. Bonus, say hi. Bonus. Hi. He's looking at Jackpot right now, checking him out. And look what Jackpot is doing. He's like, I don't care. Don't come near me.